Heads up. We're moving out, fellas. Reference that grid point. We need to secure and hold it.
WRC going up! Reinforce that back wall!
No route to capture and hold that area.
Weapon support center is up and running.
You need weapons? We need coordinates.
Location secured. All quiet.
Advance team, securing point. They want that area secured. Make it quick. Come on, boys. Capture orders.
HMG team deploying.
We gotta capture and hold that ground.
Cover your fields of fire. Hold for order.
Bazooka squad, reporting in.
Anti-tank squad on the field.
Ground fire! Scouts, contact! Ground recon unit! Contact! Fell armed! All back! Get the hell out of here!
Well, look, get that gear squared away. Come on.
Everybody blasted!
Take it up. Let's get it done. Climb inside. Go.
Heavy machine gun has been requisitioned.
My crew are ready to go.
You heard the man. We're up.
MG, waiting on you. Whole ass.
Who's on the march, fellas?
Come on, let's find a better site.
Well, head inside.
Where'd you need a 30 cal?
Bazooka team.
Get ready to
Kick some ass. Watch this around. We're moving across the line. Well, look what the cat coughs up. Back to full strength. That's our damn wake-up call.
Enemy activity near our munitions point.
Orders incoming! Prep your gear!
Lead man. Alert if you see anything.
German looking.
Once our heading to new coordinates.
Capture orders, fellas. We're headed into crowd territory.
Don't get too relaxed, pal. It's gotta get real busy. Weapon crew, break it down. We gotta move. All right, slow it up. What's the hold up? Let's holding fast.
Bazooka squad is equipped and ready.
We got to keep those bazookas on the wings. Let's go. Smokes and flares. Get them ready.
Where'd you need a 30 cal? Weapon crew, you're with me. Get ready to point taken. Set up for action. Get us out of here!
Your chances to
That's us! Setting the tripod! Cover this zone!
Sector 1, no contact.
David, we're gonna drive to the line.
Make it quick! Make it loud!
Infantry point is under attack. Contact.
Looks like we're going in. These bazookas! Let's move! Let's move!
Research underway, Commander.
We're up! Get up! Secure it! Take it from them! Move forward! Join your squad!
Fall in. Capturing territory!
Here it comes! Let's go! Move up!
Let's get to it, fellas. Crowds are holding ground.
Find some damn cover!
Weasels with towed pack howitzers are available to us.
No route. Once we capture that point.
We're guns, move out.
Start firing! Get outside, quickly!
Weapon crew, all right, they want us up front.
Gunny says we gotta move.
Secure that ground.
HMG team deploying. Air support center upgrade incoming.
Where'd you need a 30 cal?
Get set, redeploy.
Orders coming down the chain. Stay the hell down! We need to take that territory from them! We gotta take them for fall back! Head for CP!
The sector's been overrun. It's theirs now. Munitions point is being attacked.
Stay the hell down! Get your ass up! We gotta move!
Back it up, we're moving.
I don't fancy our chances, do you? Stay focused! Looks like we're going in! That's us!
Lost the weapon crew. All dead.
Weapon crew ready! Move forward!
Scout! All right!
They're okay! These pursuits moving, demanding!
ASC upgraded, Commander. The enemy is stealing our munitions point.
Take a leg, fellas. Short and strong, fellas. We got a fighting patrol.
Back to full
Run up the
strength.
men and let's get
Ready
to
for
it.
action.
Get out of here, move it!
Where'd you need a tow pack howitzer entering the field.
My crew is ready.
An entire gun crew has been killed.
Get those guns, guard that line, and
Spray whatever.
Yes, sir!
Defend our victory point. We're losing it. Grasshopper reported in.
Time to roll!
Unhitch this thing.
We're two,
Moving
sir.
on foot.
The victory point is under enemy control now.
They got around!
The weapon has been decrewed.
And throw her in reverse!
Look sharp, Beth. Leave it!
My part, shut up!
We need. We're gonna take it from him.
Here it comes, fellas. Get ready.
Hold tight.
Barrage complete. Guard.
Commander, we should spend our munitions.
Point heading to new
Unhook.
coordinates.
Prepare to move.
Let's
Let's pack it up
We'll
and
drag
move. Orders just came down.
We've lost a scout squad.
Rev that engine, boys. Weasel will capture it.
Set reserves when it's done.
Territory lost.
Hold position here. Weasel by name, Weasel by nature. It's coming. You need to pull it good.
That's it. Secured.
We've dropped the enemy to 250 points.
Time's over. Let's move out. Get your gear. Moving, slowpoke. Fall back.
Let's move out.
Krauts are securing our capture point.
M29. Weasel
Driver,
here.
Let's
drop
roll
us
him out,
here.
boys.
We
M29.
have towed M1 howitzers awaiting deployment. Initiating.
M29.
Heavy machine gun has been requisitioned.
What's the hold up? Let's go!
Let's shake a leg, fellas.
M29.
Grasshopper, ready to make another run.
Weapons? You're not sending us alone, right?
Territory point is no longer under our control.
Let's get this thing over with.
Well, look what the cat. Get that gear squared away. Come on.
We'll find what you need. We got somewhere to be.
We have double sorties available, Commander.
Sail march, fellas.
Listen up. Clearing a path.
Pack those
We'll find a
weapons.
way.
Orders coming in.
Grasshopper recon on station.
We're all ears.
Pack it up and move. This time's over. Complete one.
There's enemies in us falling apart! Bingo fuel here. Heading back to base.
Weasel here.
That's us, boys. Get your gear ready. We gotta get to that point. Let's
Orders
go.
just came. Gunny says we gotta move.
Reports of enemy movement near our victory point. Bazooka squad is reporting in.
That's up. Let's advance. Keep an eye out for Jay.
The victory point has fallen into enemy control. We're taking Thunderbolt going down! Bang again!
Base! You heard the jump to it, boys! We got on it, fellas! Gunny says we gotta move.
One of our munitions points is being neutralized.
Orders coming down.
Get that gear squared away. Order just came through on the radio. Hold it up right there. They're calling us in, fellas. MG fire!
You have 3 command points available.
On the march, fellas.
Bazooka squad is equipped and ready.
42 in!
Air support is on hand to prioritize high-value targets.
Shake a leg, fellas.
We've lost a territory sector. Reserve a high-altitude recon. Wait on your word.
The best time's over. You heard the man. We're up. Or let's get it done, boys. Orders just came down. Shake a leg, fellas. Oh, you got it, buddy. You got a full crew.
Preparing for armor production. Getting it done.
Get that.
Vehicle production is now available.
Keep firing! No matter what!
B-47 ready to ruin Jerry's day.
Fire out! You know what to do! We gotta move! Just pack it up and move! Taking us apart!
Let's go. I want eyes everywhere.
Look alive! Showing fire! Here it comes, fellas! Get ready to target! Fire! We can't stay here! Let's go! Here we go! Move forward! Join your squad! You heard the man. We gotta move.
Bazooka squad reporting in.
We got the work now.
Make it quick.
We're good to go! Orders over here, let's go!
Ready for a back. Back us up.
We have a surplus of command points.
Gunny says we gotta move. Orders coming in.
Players will light up the battlefield at your command.
Fire! Fire! Let's go! Move up! Weapon crew ready! Strike!
They have 200 points remaining. High-altitude recon ready for mission. The munitions point is being attacked.
They've got us pinned! Run! Run!
M29. Weasel here.
Shake a leg, we got our orders! Capture that area! Rest down, let's move out!
We've been told where we're needed.
42 in range! Reloading! I don't think your chances to you! Let's get to it! Hey! Hold down, you know we're here!
Get ready to kick some ass,
Hold
boys.
on! You heard the man.
All right.
Let's go!
Get those guns ready.
Those weapons! Orders come in! Orders! Carried out to the letter. Capture that area. Bazooka team, march, fellas. Set up orders coming down secure. Fast. Jesus! We're gonna get our asses shot! Just came down.
99 fighters here. SOP, boys. Straight that target. Bingo fuel in and activate.
We're good to go! These bazookas in target, damn it! Order, confirmed! Secure that position! Pull ass! Hit the crew cabin! Get back! Enemy crew! Small arm fire incoming! Run that half-track down! Cover high water! Half-track!
Done!
Moving to maggots! Pulling us back! Bazookas! Shake the leg, fellas! Does it? Let's move out! Set up. Right. On the march, fellas!
German whiz-bang is deploying.
Looks like we're coming your ass up! 42 in range!
That's up! It's
Get your ass over!
Give it some gas!
They're calling it.
Recon away notice. Beginning research.
Orders coming down the chain. NG fire! Taking NG fire! Taking NG fire here!
We need to park it over there, man. German whiz-bang repositioning. Whiz-bang.
Recon overflights have improved, Commander. Grasshopper reporting in.
Head down! Here it comes! Move forward! Bring your squad! Incoming fire! I don't think you're cheating to you!
That's our victory point.
They've got us in!
Command point ready to spend. Victory point now under enemy control. Bingo fuel in and activate. Vehicle light vehicle is destroyed. Air resupply operations are available. Engineers on the field.
Just came through on the radio. You got it, buddy.
Good shot, fellas. We're up.
Howitzer crew killed.
All right, let's move out.
We got this. We'll fix her up.
Good as new.
Weapons? We got our orders. They're calling us in, fellas. Done the march, fellas. Upgrade. Get on it, fellas.
Got the word from Battalion Command. Our objective's clear. Whiz-bang here.
Grasshopper high altitude recon. Wait on your word.
Rocket artillery on standby.
A Sherman with a whiz-bang rocket launcher is ready.
Need support.
Sector gone. We must take it back.
Time to get to work. All right, reverse here.
Engineers here. Engine, man that weapon. Bring it with us.
Whiz bang here!
Hey, you got a job? All ass.
Look alive, boys!
Back to full strength. Ready for
You
action.
heard the man. Get your gear ready and move out.
Shouldn't be
Well,
a
look
front,
at it,
Jack.
Rocket artillery on standby. Driver, a little breathing room! Half track, walk the flight!
Get that gear squared away.
Engineers, secure the
Orders
location.
just came. Shake them. Jump to it, boys.
We need to park it over there, man. Whiz bang here!
Commander, it's done.
Hold up a second.
M18 Hellcat reporting in. 90-day wonders all accounted for.
Pack those weapons. Orders coming in.
We've been given a purpose, boys.
Orders just came. Let's pack it up and move.
And us. Now?
Grasshopper recon on station. Research underway, Commander.
Orders just came through.
Territory is being contested. They only have 100 points, Commander.
You got it, buddy. Follow this in. Get your gear ready and move out. Not a fellow target, boys.
Lost control of the sector.
Keep your damn head down.
Engineer up.
Here it comes.
Research completed, Commander.
Okay, let's crank her up!
Jesus, we're gonna get our asses shot. I don't think your chances to get on the move. Looks like we're going in.
That's an affirmative.
Germans down to 75. Grasshopper high up to recon. Wait on your word. Recon run by request.
M18 reporting. CO felt we needed something to
Pack
do.
those weapons.
Been given a purpose.
B-47 ready to ruin Jerry's day.
Rocket artillery on standby.
Bingo fuel in. Activate.
Let's get this baby
Sherman Whizbang is deploying.
Okay, let's crank her up. Bring her to a stop. Driver, a little breathing room.
Get your gear ready and move out.
CO felt we needed something to do. Whiz bang here.
Rest time's over.
Rocket
Let's
driver,
move
stop
out.
here.
You heard the man. Luke team, pick up the pace.
Repairs complete. Enemy down to 50 points. Force their retreat.
That's our damn place